You don't need to code to create amazing WooCommerce apps. Introducing Appmaker, no-code app builder.
Do you want to convert your Woocommerce multivendor store into a mobile app? With Appmaker, you can convert your Woocommerce store into an app that will help you to reach more customers. So here's a look at a Woocommerce web store in action. Let me show you how to create a native Android and iOS app for this store. This website will be converted into a fully functional app that looks exactly like this. To make your store more engaging and appealing, you can add banners, grids, image sliders, and more. Your WooCommerce store and the app will be in real-time sync. The app you develop with Appmaker will include all of the products and categories from the website. Appmaker offers options such as Add to Cart, Wishlist tab, adding coupons, and much more. Customers may check out directly from the app for purchasing their selected products. So let's get started. First, you will need to open a new tab and search for www.appmaker.xyz. You will be taken to the landing page of Appmaker. From here, click on Woocommerce, or you can click the link from the description. You'll be redirected to the Woocommerce landing page of Appmaker. More than 5,000 plus Woocommerce stores are powered by Appmaker. With Appmaker, your customers will be able to experience a premium app purchase and also help boost your revenue. Appmaker is in real-time sync with your store, hence all the changes and inventory are updated in real time. Appmaker customer support is another highlight and has 4.9 stars through customer reviews in WordPress. Let's start building our app by clicking on Build My App Now. You will be taken to a page where you need to fill in the required information to proceed further. First and foremost, we have an app icon. Drag and drop your logo here or click on Upload. The app icon's recommended image size is 512 by 512 pixels. After uploading, click on Next and Proceed. You can also add a launch screen to your app. This will be your app's initial splash screen. The splash screen should be at least 480 by 480 pixels in size. On the right side, you can see how the app will look on your customer's phone. Also, you can add background colors for your splash screen from here. After you've uploaded your images, click the Next button to get to the Colors tab. Here, you can match your app's appearance and feel to your company's branding. You may watch the changes happen in real time and experiment with the colors until you're happy. Once you've finished, you can move on to the next page. Here, you need to connect your store with an app to be in sync. As the validation is completed, you will be prompted to install the Appmaker plugin. You can use two methods to add the Appmaker plugin. One is automatic configuration, and another one is manual configuration. If you click the Connect Automatically button, you will be taken to the WordPress plugin directory. And on the manual configuration, you need to go to your WordPress admin dashboard and add the plugin manually. I will show you the manual way. For that, first, you need to navigate yourself to your store. And from here, add /wp-admin at the end of your store URL. It will redirect you to the admin page of your WordPress dashboard. To install the Appmaker plugin, go to Plugins option from the dashboard and click on Add New. Use the search bar and type in Appmaker to find the Appmaker plugin. Appmaker has both WooCommerce and WordPress plugins. Ensure that you have made the right choice for your WooCommerce website. Select Appmaker WooCommerce Mobile App Builder, and now click Install. Once it's installed, just activate the plugin. The next step is to connect your store to the app. By connecting the store to the app, you can automatically add all the products in your website to the app. Once you add new products to your website, they will automatically get added to the app as well. Copy the access key. Now head back to the Appmaker page and here, click on Verify Plugin. After verifying plugin, it will redirect you to the Activation app page. In here, paste the access key that we copied earlier. Now your store is in sync with Appmaker. Your app is ready. This is the main page of Appmaker Dashboard, which will allow you to access all the information and control options that you need to create your app. Let me walk you through the dashboard. Here you can preview both iOS and Android versions by clicking on the preview. We will be doing this at the end of this video with our fully customized app. On the left-hand side of your Appmaker dashboard, you'll be able to see different options. By default, you will have two subcategories under the Customize App button. First one is In-App Pages, and the second one is the menu. In In-App Pages, you will be able to create multiple custom pages. You can creatively use in-app pages to create categories and subcategories of products, offer pages, bestseller pages, and so on. The menu option just below in-app pages allows you to organize the menu as you need. To start with, this will be my homepage. You can remove or duplicate these blocks by clicking on the three dots. First, I will remove all these blocks and let's start from scratch. Scroll down to find the Add Block section. Once you click on Add Block section, you can see list of options. You can add banners, grid, and other blocks using this option. Let's start by adding an image slider to the home page. Sliders are a type of block that can be found on in-app pages. For each slide, multiple slides will be displayed in the same space. By clicking on the slider block, you can set custom actions to each slider. With the Action menu, you can set actions to each and every banner and grid. The drop-down list will include categories, tags, items, and a variety of other options. When the user clicks on the banner after you've assigned an action, you'll be redirected to the page you've specified. Simply click on the slider option from the block section, and it will be added here. The image slider will work best with images that are under 1000 by 1000 pixels in size. We'll start by adding an image to the slider. Select an image for the slider by clicking on Upload. Image has been added to the slider, as you can see. You can add additional sliders by just clicking on the Add Slider option. Let me add a few more images to the sliders here. Appmaker action can be seen on the right side. You can choose from a variety of options here, such as opening in-app pages, viewing a URL on the web, viewing a product list, and so on. For this slider, I've selected Open Product by Category, and choose the category from the drop-down below. Similarly, I've gone ahead and assigned actions to the remaining sliders. For this particular slider, I used Collections and Pages with Deals. By clicking on the Move Arrow button, I can move the block to either up or down on my homepage. I'm moving this option to the top section as this is going to replace our deleted header banner. Let's add a lovely banner below the slider with some action. Banner occupies a spot within your app's layout, either at the top or bottom of the device screen. They stay on screen while users are interacting with the app. You can add banners that can be used to show the special offers, new items released, etc. The banner image size should be 700 by 400 pixels. Let's add an image for our banner. Let's make a grid below that. In-app pages use the grid block to display many products, deals, and new releases in a column manner on a single line. Grid's recommended image size should be under 1080 by 1080 pixels. Let's put this grid together for the categories. To include all subcategories, we might have to increase the number of columns. Each block can have up to 5 columns. We can also experiment with some additional options provided here. Now, I'll choose the images and upload them to the grids. Below the grid column option, we can find 4 other options. The first one will be enabling split. If you have multiple categories in your grid, you can break those categories into many sections. Next will be the View More button. View More buttons are dynamic components that display hidden content that is available. Enabling Grid Title helps you add a specific title to each grid. And by enabling the Show Image Title, you can add titles to each image in your grid. Add the action to the grids as well. Allow me to add a couple more options on the main page now. We customized the home page and incorporated all of the features we required. Once the home page is ready, we can create other landing pages for the mobile app. But first and foremost, always remember to save your modifications. Now let's add an in-app page. In-app pages help to create native pages in your app without writing a single line of code. You can make use of the drag-and-drop interface to design pages by adding images, texts, products, etc. Go to the In-App Pages section and select Add New Page. Now you'll see a blank page with the option to add a block. In the right-hand settings bar, you can change the in-app page title. I will add the title as a collection. Let's begin with an offer for our first banner, and set the desired action for the image using the Appmaker action. I will add a slider below the banner. Below that, we can add a pre-built product scroller. In the pre-built product scroller, you can set some pre-built products like sale products, featured products, best-selling products, etc. And you can select any particular group of products that you would like to display. Click on the pre-built product scroller. We are going to create one for bestseller. Choose your product scroller category and choose from multiple options available. Now you have a product scroller with all the products added to your in-app page. I designed and built the page in the same way we did the home page, with sliders, grids, banners, and other elements. These sites will be linked together to assist customers in finding the best solutions for them. The customized app area allows you to design the app's overall architecture. Now we'll look at how to set up the menu. Menus make it easy to find what your consumers are looking for, and seeing a store that is well organized encourages them to buy additional products from your app. We already have a pre-built menu available for the store. Let's customize it for the mobile version. I'm deleting all of it, and let me show you how to create a menu from the start. To make a new menu, click the Add Menu item. Here I create one for the home menu. On the menu type option, you can either choose a non-actionable menu by clicking on the title, or you can choose an actionable type, which is a menu item. I'm creating a menu item for the home menu. Now, choose an action from the Appmaker action option. You can also select an icon from here. Select an icon by clicking on Upload. After uploading, click on Add. And this is how it appears. I'm making one for the category and selecting the menu type as the title to make it a non-actionable menu. By selecting the plus icon, you may add submenus to your menu. To delete the menu, just click on the delete icon here. You can move the menu around by dragging and dropping it. I'm using a similar method to create extra menu items. I've also included the collection offers page, the contact us page, and other pages to the menu. You can also select the appropriate menu items and adjust them to meet your own requirements. When you're finished, click Save. The next feature will be the Update App option. The Update App area allows you to make general changes to the app, such as altering the name, uploading app icons, and so on. We already did this part in the beginning, so if you want, you can recheck here and fill in the required information or just skip to the miscellaneous option. You can customize the app's logo and basic pictures, such as the push notification logo, toolbar logo, login logo, and header logo on this screen. Choose a suitable image with a resolution of 512 by 512 pixels and a PNG type for the drawer header. The push notification button's image size will be 100 by 100 pixels in PNG format. The login logo will be 450 by 150 pixels in size. After you've added the icons, you're ready to go. Click on Next. It will take you to the Settings page. Here you may learn about the features that can help us improve our branding. You can experiment with these options and use them according to your requirements. Here, you can see the grocery mode option. You can enable this option if you want to add a quantity button to each product. On the product list, you can choose the way you want your products to be displayed in the app. The options provided include grid and list. You can also enable language switcher and currency switcher, which will increase the customer experience. And there are some other options that you can play around with. Finally, you can select the languages in which you want the app to be available. Simply select a language from the drop-down menu. If you wish to add languages, simply type the language name into the search area. We also have the ability to delete languages in the upper right corner. Then finally click on Save Changes and then Build App. When you click on Build App, that gets refreshed and the app builds again. It will take around 5 minutes to get ready. Till then, we will look into some other features in the Appmaker Dashboard. The first one is the push notification feature. The push notification is an important feature that helps in customer engagement and retention. All Appmaker plans consist of push notification features, and with a 5-step configuration, you can send push notifications to your customers to generate compelling results. Next is the Promote App feature. So once your app is out there in Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, you would want your users and your customers to know that they can access your store via mobile app. With Smart Banner, whenever your users open the mobile website, a banner such as this will be shown on the top of the website where they can be urged to download the app. Similarly, an email footer is where you can inform your customers about the app through the order confirmation email. When a customer creates an order through the website, along with the order confirmation email, customers will get a footer like this. You can customize the features based on your needs. These are great ways to get a quick push to your app promotion. To get more information about push notification, Smart Banner, email footer, and any other features, you can click the Docs tab and glaze through topics you are interested. Your app is ready for both Android and iOS. I have downloaded the app file from the dashboard and installed it on my Android device. This is the icon of the mobile app we have created. Let's click on it and see our app. This will be my homepage. As you can see, all images are in the right place. Click on the menu and see how it looks. Let's click on this product and let's see what option pops up. Here you can see the Add to Cart button. If we click on Add to Cart button, the selected product will be in the cart. You can choose the number of products needed. Just click Add or Minus. We have a Wishlist tab. Customers can add products to the wish list. Also, you have the option to add coupons. Here we have options to create an account for new users and login options for existing ones. And that is how you make your multi-vendor store into an app through Appmaker. To know more, check out our website, www.appmaker.xyz.